This is Fission Knit fabric because I start with working in a marl. So if you look closely at the fabric, you can see that all this is worked in a marl. And then I create cables on both sides of the fabric. So here I've created dark green cables, and on the other side, I create lighter green cables. As you've probably noticed, there's a lot of purling in this project. One of the first questions I'm always asked is, why do we have to purl all that garter stitch? Why can't we knit it? So I made up this little swatch to show you. This side is knitwise garter, and this side is purlwise garter. And I've put a design stitch on each side. Now, if we take a look at, this is on the knit side, knitwise garter. These stitches sit on the top, but they don't sit quite as much on the top as on the purlwise garter. You can see on the purlwise garter, there's a little more space underneath those stitches. I don't have that quite that same amount of space under the stitches on the knitwise garter.